I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on Remitly, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Remitly website or app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to your email or phone for verification. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the security or privacy section in the menu. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Click on the option to disable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your registered device. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling, make sure to save your changes. You should see a confirmation message that two-factor authentication has been turned off. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so proceed with caution. If you have any trouble, feel free to reach out to Remitly support for assistance. Happy transferring!